Okay, in this video we're going to be finding the area under the standard normal curve. For my specific example, to your left or the top, I have a z-score of 1.03 and I'm wanting to find the shaded region to the right of that given z-score. From this, we know that we need to use our command of a normal CDF in our calculator. Now, from a previous video or from class, you need to remember that we have a mean that is equal to 0 and a standard deviation that is equal to 1 for a standard normal curve. So to get to this specific window in your calculator, you're going to choose second vars, and you'll toggle down to number 2 or press the number 2. I'll demonstrate this in a calculator in just a moment. After this, you'll have this window pull up on your calculator. Now, some calculators do not show this window specifically. Sometimes it'll take you back out to your normal window and have the following set up for you. Now, if this happens, you're going to have to remember what your lower bound number is, your upper bound number, your mean, and your standard deviation, and also what order they go into. Now, for our lower bound number, we want to use the smallest number on our graph, which is the z-score that's given of 1.03. So our lower bound number is going to be that. Now your upper bound number is going to be the largest number that you can have on your graph. Now, whether you believe it or not, this graph does go on forever. And remember, things that go on forever go to infinity. So infinity is going to be a 1e99. Now we're going to positive infinity because we're going to the right side of our graph. Therefore, it's going to go on forever to just infinity. So we will choose 1e99 as our upper bound number. Now remember that our mean is 0 and our standard deviation is 1. So we choose 0 and 1. So to do this in the calculator, again, we're going to do this very first command where we say second vars, and we toggle down to number 2 or press the number 2, whatever you're comfortable with. Now our default in normal CDF is always going to be negative 1e99 and a blank upper, so we need to change these. So we're going to clear that negative 1e99 out and choose our lowest number, which was 1.03. And then our upper bound number, which is going to be infinity. Infinity is given by doing 1 second, comma, 99. And again, our mean and our standard deviation are 1 because we're dealing with our standard normal curve. After that, you press paste and press enter one more time, and you get your answer for your area under the standard normal curve from the given z-score 1.03 to the right is going to be 0.1515.